Hello guys again and welcome to English by Alaa. Are you hungry? Well, today we're going to make you even more hungry because we're talking about cooking. Today we're going to learn 10 cooking verbs. Let's dive in. Starting from the basics, the first verb, cook. Cook. So cook is to simply to prepare food by applying heat. So today I'm gonna cook some chicken. Poach. Poach. So to poach is to cook food in liquid, like water. Poach. The third verb, fry. Fry. So to fry something is to cook it in hot oil, like fried chicken, for example, like fries. Grill. Grill. So to grill something, to cook it over direct heat. Roast. Roast, to cook food in the oven. Add. Add. Add simply to put, like for example, I need to add some salt. Would you like to add pepper? Chop. Chop. So chop is to cut food into small irregular pieces. So for example, if you're cooking something, you need to chop onions. If you are making a salad, you need to chop tomatoes. Chop. Slice. Slice. So slice is also to cut, but in a more regular and larger pieces. So slice. Cut it in slices. Slice. Peel. Peel. Peel is to remove the outer layer or the outer skin of something, like you peel the banana. Boil. Boil. So boil is to heat something very much until it produces bubbles and steam. So boil. Boil. So for example, water boils at 100 degrees. That was all for today. Thank you for watching and wait for part 2. Bye bye.